Hi all, today we can discuss the problems based on critical temperature and critical field of superconductors. What is a superconductor? For some materials, as the temperature decreases, the electrical resistance suddenly disappears. Such materials are known as the superconductors. So if we consider a normal conductor, as the temperature decreases, the resistance is decreasing. But at 0 Kelvin, the resistance is not 0. But for superconductors, as the temperature decreases, the resistance decreases, and at a particular temperature, this resistance suddenly falls to 0. This abrupt decrease in the resistance at a particular temperature is known as superconductivity. And this temperature is called a critical temperature or transition temperature. That is, if temperature T is less than the critical temperature, that material behaves as a superconductor, and if the temperature is greater than the critical temperature, that will act as normal conductor. So this abrupt fall in the resistance of the material below a certain temperature is known as superconductivity, and those materials which exhibit this superconductivity is known as superconductor. This superconductivity was first observed by the scientist Kamerlingh-Onnes in 1911. In the material mercury, for mercury, this transition temperature is equal to 4.2 Kelvin. Again, it is observed that the superconductivity vanishes if we apply a strong magnetic field. There is a particular magnetic field known as critical magnetic field at which the superconductivity losses. That means if we apply a magnetic field greater than this critical field, the superconductivity destroys and the superconductor becomes a normal conductor. This critical field, that is critical magnetic field, is related closely with the temperature. As the temperature increases, the critical field of that corresponding material is progressively decreasing. That is, if the temperature is less than the critical temperature and the field is less than the critical field, the material is in the superconducting state. If the field is greater than critical field and temperature is greater than critical temperature, the material behaves as a normal conductor. The dependence of critical field on critical temperature is HCT is equal to HC0 into 1 minus T by Tc square, where HCT is the critical field at the given temperature T and HC0 is the critical field at the 0 Kelvin. Then Tc is the critical temperature. See this question. Critical field of niobium is 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter at 8 Kelvin and 2 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter at 0 Kelvin. Calculate the critical temperature. Critical field of niobium is 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter at 8 Kelvin. So T is equal to 8 Kelvin. At this 8 Kelvin, the critical field is 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter. And 2 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter at 0 Kelvin. That is, HC0 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter. Calculate the critical temperature. So we can apply the general formula. HCT is equal to HC0 into 1 minus T by Tc square. Then HCT is 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter equal to HC0 is 2 into 10 raised to 5 into 1 minus T is 8 by Tc square. Now this 10 raised to 5 and 10 raised to 5 will cancel and this 2 will come to LHS, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 8 by Tc all square, or 8 by Tc square is equal to, this is 1 minus half, that is half. So this Tc square is equal to 64 into 2, or Tc is the root of 64 into 2, that is equal to 11.3 Kelvin. So the critical temperature of niobium is 11.3 Kelvin. Next question. A superconductor has a critical temperature 3.7 Kelvin at 0 magnetic field. At 0 Kelvin, the critical magnetic field is 0.0306 Tesla. What is the magnetic field at a temperature 2 Kelvin? A superconductor has a critical temperature 3.7 Kelvin at zero magnetic field, that is Tc is equal to 3.7 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin, the critical magnetic field is 0.0306 Tesla, that is Hc0 is equal to 0.0306 Tesla. What is the magnetic field at the temperature 2 Kelvin? At T equal to 2 Kelvin, what is the critical magnetic field? So the general equation is Hct is equal to Hc0 into 1 minus T by Tc square. On substituting the values, Hc0 is 0.0306 into 1 minus T is 2 Kelvin divided by Tc is 3.7 Kelvin square. So on calculating this, we will get it as 0.0216 Tesla. Okay. So the critical magnetic field at 2 Kelvin is 0.0216 Tesla. Next question, the transition temperature for lead is 7.2 Kelvin. However, at a 5 Kelvin, it loses the superconducting property if subjected to a magnetic field of 3.3 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Find the maximum value of H which will allow the metal to retain its superconductivity at a 0 Kelvin. The transition temperature for lead is 7.2 Kelvin. So Tc is equal to 7.2 Kelvin. However, at T is equal to 5 Kelvin, it loses the superconducting property if subjected to a magnetic field of 3.3 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Find the maximum value of H which will allow the metal to retain its superconductivity at 0 Kelvin. So we want to find out the critical field at 0 Kelvin. The critical field at T equal to 5 Kelvin is given. What is the critical field at 0 Kelvin? That we want to find out. So the general formula is Hct is equal to Hc0 into 1 minus T by Tc square. So that is Hct is 3.3 into 10 raised to 4 is equal to Hc0 into 1 minus T is 5 Kelvin, Tc is 7.2 Kelvin square. So Hc0 is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to 4 divided by, on calculating this, 0.5177 is equal to 6.374 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. So the maximum value of H which will allow the metal to retain superconductivity at 0 Kelvin is 6.374 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Next question, critical temperature of a superconductor when no magnetic field present is Tc. Find the temperature at which critical field becomes half of its value at a 0 Kelvin. Critical temperature of a superconductor when no magnetic field present is Tc. Find the temperature at which critical field becomes half of its value at a 0 Kelvin. That is Hc is equal to Hc0 by 2. This happens at a what temperature? So the general equation Hct is equal to Hc0 into 1 minus T by Tc square. Then what is Hct? So Hct is Hc0 by 2 is equal to Hc0 into 1 minus T by Tc square. Or Hc0 will cancel and this minus T by Tc square come to the LHS as positive. It is equal to 1 minus half, that is half. So T is equal to 1 by root 2 Tc. So what is 1 by root 2? 0.707 Tc. So at a 0.707 Tc, the critical field becomes half of the critical field at a 0 Kelvin. Next question. The transition temperature for lead is 7.26 Kelvin. The maximum critical field for the material is 8 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter. Lead has to be used as a superconductor subjected to a magnetic field of 4 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. What precaution will have to be taken? The transition temperature for lead is 7.26 Kelvin. That is Tc is equal to 7.26 Kelvin. The maximum critical field for the material is 8 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter. What is the meaning of maximum critical field for the material? The maximum critical field for the material is possible at T is equal to 0 Kelvin. So this maximum field means that is HC0. So if in the question it is given that a maximum critical field for the material, that means that is a critical field at T equal to 0 Kelvin. Lead has to be used as a superconductor subjected to a magnetic field of 4 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. What precaution will have to be taken? So in this question we have to find out the temperature at which this field is 4 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter, and we have to maintain the material below that temperature so that it will not lose its superconductivity. So we can find out this temperature T. So what is the expression for the critical field? HCT is equal to HC0 into 1 minus T by Tc square. So HCT is 4 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. HC0 is 8 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter into 1 minus T by Tc is given as 7.26 square. So that is 1 minus T by 7.26 square is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 8 into 10 raised to 5. So 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. 1 0 is also, so 1 by 20 is equal to 1 minus T by 7.26 square, or T by 7.26 square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 20, that is 19 minus 20 by 20. So T is equal to 7.26 into root of 19 by 20. On calculating we will get it at 7.08 Kelvin. So what is the precaution? We have to keep this material at a temperature less than the 7.08 Kelvin. So the temperature of lead should be maintained below 7.08 Kelvin, above which it will lose its superconductivity. So you try more questions.